Push the button, honey. Olive. Olive. Where you going? Olive. I see you, Malia. Oh. Oops. Jeez.
Wow.
Yeah, did you hit your head?
Yes, she hit his head.
Go push a button again. Go push a button. Push it. Push a button, Olive. Yeah, it was a little dark there. Now it's all bright.
I can see it.
I can see it too. Don't get too close. Olive. Hi. Go push the button. Come on, push the button. Can you reach it, Olive?
I did it.
Oh, well, that's one way to do it.
I do it.
Push your button.
Mama.
Push it. How does that move, Malia? Uh-oh, somebody's got the princess purse.
No. That's my purse.
All right, can you guys say bye? Bye-bye.
You say hi.
Hi, bye-bye.
Hi.
You gonna push a button one more time?
I
Olive, come push it. Let her do it. Okay, bye guys.
Pink dress. Get me new pink dress, Mama.
Oh wow, I love it.
I see you, Mama.
I see you too.